eating. What's up, everybody? Imagine shooting when you're eating. My name is
in a noisy area.
As you can see, my bags are all set.
I think I have like 20 minutes. I'm going to get some time to relax. What's up, everybody? My name is Faith Kindhearted, alongside my sister Rin.
Hi guys.
Rin, where are we?
We are in Posta right now.
Okay, we are in Posta. We are going somewhere. Where are we going?
We are going to Mbudia Island.
But we were like, let's have something
to eat first.
To eat before we go there.
And we are having something very local. We are having, this is rice. This is our local fish. It's only found in Tanzania. And then we have vegetables, and this is beans, and this is stew. This stew or soup.
Hey, mine is different.
Yours
I have
different.
peas, I have veggies, I have rice, I have lemon also.
Yeah.
You have.
Yeah,
Then this.
The lemon is basically for the fish. Now put on top of the fish so that it tastes nice. Like this.
Yeah, let's enjoy. Now I want to taste this fish because this is my first time to see this kind of fish.
Yeah.
Where should I even start from? Here?
Okay, from here.
It's hot. It tastes like our fish, so it's nice. It's so yummy.
It's yummy, yeah?
Yep.
It's a very nice fish. I like it. This is called kibua.
Kibua?
Yeah. It's a local fish.
Okay, so we have decided to go local today.
We're having some
No chips and chicken.
no chips. No chips, mayai.
Oh. Food is done. Now we are going to take transportation to, I have forgotten the island where we are going, but we are going to the island.
We are in the local bus. We are heading to Makumbusho. And then from Makumbusho we're going to take another bus. We're supposed to take one that goes straight to where we are going, but the buses are not there. So we are connecting two buses. And then we'll get to Kuluchi, probably take a motorbike to the place where we're going to get the boat to go to the island.
Like how much is it, like from where we bought it from to where we are going to branch out from?
How much is the fare? The bus fare? It's only 400 shillings.
Oh my god, these people.
Yeah, it's 400.
Your transportation is cheap.
It's very cheap. It's 400 shillings.
Okay, let's
For this
enjoy the journey.
I'll see you guys on the other side.
We are in
boyfriend could refuse to go for football.
Yeah.
Could refuse to go for
And it's
football.
because of
You
her.
see this?
Yeah.
Now, when the player is going, and he's like, I'm not going. So now everybody, even the teachers, by the way, will be like, please go talk to Dan. He was called Dan. Go talk to Dan. I'll be
Imagine I've never heard of that. See women run.
This is the first time.
Brother Wills from Nigeria. Now I believe you. Women are not easy.
And I think this one fits better with the books than this one.
So you selected this?
Yeah.
I'm buying costumes. Somebody's going to teach me how to swim because I'm not good. Hey. Me. Yeah.
No, I want to negotiate. Which one I think?
We are in Kunduchi Beach, but you know, I don't know, as if we didn't know that we are coming to the beach. We didn't come with swimming costumes, so we are here. There is a small shop. We are trying to buy costumes so that we can go enjoy the beach. Oh my God, it's going to be fun. But as for me, they will teach me how to because I'm not good. Okay, right now we are done with buying what we wanted to buy, and you're already here, Kumbuchi Beach. We are going to be entering inside, so I'll be seeing you guys in the other side. Thank you so much for watching. See you, love you, and leave you. You see the crew? Oh, see? Lynn, where are you? All right, bye-bye.